gates open, they're up and racing. The San Diego draws for your lead, Tiger's Queen. Moving up, La Furia Roja, Exquisite, running by Real Aidas Julian. Divine, second last, and trailing the group is Katipunera. As they pass the last 900, La Furia Roja takes command by about a length and a half. The San Diego in second, and racing now in third is entry number 3, Tiger's Queen. Moving up by Idas Julian in between runners, Exquisite. Divine now catching the fourth spot as they rounded the last 450. La Furia Roja. The San Diego throwing a challenge together with Tiger's Queen. Divine now needs to be hurried now on the outside, and down the stretch they come. La Furia Roja throwing a challenge on the outside. Tiger's Queen. The San Diego in between with 150. Furia Roja. Tiger's Queen. The San Diego in between runners. Finish line. Then comes Tiger's Queen, La Furia Roja, Divine.
Okay, meron tayong close for first within entries number 3, Tiger's Queen, at yung numero